Are you looking to make your own custom stamp? Wondering how our website can help you with that? For totally free. Step 1. You can choose any shape of your liking from our extensive shape library. We offer a wide variety of options to cater to your preferences. Step 2. Once you've selected a shape, you can control the settings and manipulate it according to your requirements. Step 3. Drag and drop text into your stamp. Add names, dates, or any other text you desire. Step 4. If you want to add images, feel free to explore our extensive image library. Choose from a wide range of options to enhance your design. Step 5. Alternatively, if you're looking for inspiration or want a quick solution, you can choose from our collection of pre-made templates. They're designed to save you time and effort. Step 6. When you're satisfied with your design, simply click on the download button. We'll send the stamp directly to your email right away. And there you have it. You've successfully created your own custom stamp using our website, and it's totally free.